Hello friends, now to solve this expression we use the BODMAS rule which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first step, solve parentheses. As you can see, the small first parenthesis 12 minus 2 is equals to 10, and according to this the current expression becomes 90 minus bracket 3 multiplied by square bracket 40 divided by 10, and after the bracket of plus 5 square bracket of plus 2. According to this step 1, we start the innermost operations to begin breaking down the nested structure. So now move to the step 2, solve the curly brackets 40 divided by 10. After dividing we'll get 4, and now the current expression become 90 minus square bracket 3 multiplied by 4 plus 5 and then plus 2. According to this step 2, following the hierarchy of brackets, we now simplify the terms inside the curly bracket. Now step 3, solve. Inside the square brackets, first multiplication 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. Now the expression becomes 90 minus square bracket 12 plus 5 and plus 2. According to this step 3, inside the square brackets multiplication take precedence over the addition. Now step 4, complete the square brackets addition 12 plus 5 equals to 17. So now the expression becomes 90 minus 17 plus 2. And according to this step 4, we finish the operations inside the last set of brackets to reach a simple linear equation. Now finally we subtract the values and add the values left to right. First we subtract the values, after we'll getting 73. And after we add the value 73 plus 2, 75, and 75, this is the final value of this expression. So according to this expression, by using the BODMAS, the final value of this expression is 75. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.